there are 892 students in your school, 141 students are absent due to heavy rain. How many students are present in your school? So the question is, total there are 892 students in your school. Okay. So strength of your school is 892. And out of those 892 students, 141 students are absent due to heavy rain. Fine. Now the question is, how many students are present in your school? So what we'll do addition or subtraction. See, out of total number of students, 141 students are absent. This means we have to subtract the given numbers because these many students did not attend the school. So we have to subtract the given numbers. So we'll subtract this 141 from 892. Okay. So we'll subtract the number of students, those who are absent, from the total number of students. So you'll leave one line and you'll start writing the next statement. Total number of students is equal to 892. Then next, you will leave one line and then you'll write the next statement. This off spelling is. Yeah, total number of students is equal to 892. Then number of students absent is equal to 141. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in ones, tens and hundreds column. Right, so we'll be subtracting 141 from 892 because 892 is bigger than 141. Okay, we'll put a minus sign here because we are subtracting the given numbers. Okay, so we'll start now. So whenever we are subtracting a 3-digit number, or whenever we are adding 3-digit numbers, we always start from ones place, right? Shrivas, you tell me 2 minus 1 how much? Yes, Shrivas. Yeah, 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 4?
5. 5.
Very good. And 8 minus 1? Shrivas, 8 minus 1.
7.
Yes, 8 minus 1 is 7. So what is the answer, Shrivas?
751. 751, ma'am.
Very good. So answer is 751. So after this, we'll leave one line and we'll write our last statement. Number of students present is equal to 751. Write this in your notebook. Number of students present is equal to 751. Yes, children, write quickly. Yes, children, done? Or is there anyone who is still writing? Still writing. Children, please write fast. Now you can lower your hands. Lower your hands. Tanishka, Supratik, Bilvika, IVK, Ganesh. Lower your hands now. Yes, Islan.
Ma'am, do we have to write a notebook?
Yes, this you have to write in notebook, but Aslan, don't write this problem because you'll this we have already completed. Okay, I'll share with you this
Okay.
problem. I'll share with you later on. You can write in your notebook. Okay, start
Okay.
writing from second word problem. Yeah. Okay, children. I'll clear this now. Tanishka, what were you doing? It's been more than 20 minutes that we are doing this first word problem. I'll erase this. Just 30 seconds more. I'll give you only 30 more seconds. After that, I'll erase this. This is not the right way. You people are taking so much time. Lower your hands now. Tanishka and Suprati, come on. You people need to increase your writing speed. Every time I cannot wait for this much long time. I'm clearing this now. Yes, children, now start writing your second word problem. Yeah, your second word problem is teacher bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. Teacher bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. She distributed 489 blocks this you have to write in your notebook, okay? All these students. She distributed 489 blocks to all these students. How many blocks are left with her? Yes, children, write this question. Teacher bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. Excuse me. She distributed 489 blocks to all the students. How many blocks are left with her? Dhriti Reddy, you were raising your hand. Yes, Dhriti, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am. By mistake.
Okay. Yes, children, write fast. Done? Yes, children, done? Tanishka, again it's you. And Bilbika. Write quickly. I'll give you 1 more minute. Bilbika and Tanishka, write fast. Lower your hands now. Tanishka and Bilbika, lower your hands now. Okay, fine. I understood. So Pratik, Tanishka and Bilbika. Okay, fine. 1 more minute. After that, we'll start. And I'm repeating, share your homework regularly, math homework regularly with me. Okay? And those who haven't prepared that ordinal number chart, prepare and share with me. Okay, children, we'll start now. I gave you sufficient time. More than 5 minutes. You took more than 5 minutes. We'll start now. Now I'll read this question and you have to read along with me. This is Tanishka, you need to increase your writing speed. I cannot wait for more. I cannot wait. I'm sorry. Yes, I can't wait anymore now. We'll start. Teacher bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. So one teacher bought. Yes, Tanishka. Yes, Tanishka. Tanishka, you have used raise hand option, but you did not say anything. So teacher bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. Maths teacher, obviously she is a maths teacher, that's why she bought 567 blocks in the class to teach subtraction. She distributed she distributed 489 blocks to all the students. Out of 567 blocks, total number of blocks were 567. Total number of blocks were 567. And out of these 567 blocks, she gave 489 blocks to all the students. Now the question is, how many blocks are left with her? We all know that whenever left word is given in the word problem, this means we have to subtract the given numbers. We have to subtract the given numbers, right? So we'll start writing the first statement. You will leave one line. After writing this word problem, you'll leave one line after this question and then you'll start. So total number of blocks. Start writing, children. Total number of blocks is equal to 567. Then you will leave one line and then you will write number of blocks she distributed start writing, children. And please write correct spelling of distributed. Spelling is distributed. Wait, this should be number of blocks. Number of blocks she distributed is equal to 489. Now what What's our next step? Our next step is we have to arrange them in ones, tens and hundreds column. So our first number is 567. Then in the next line, we'll write our next number with minus sign. That is 489. Now we have to subtract the given numbers. So we'll start subtracting them now. P. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Shreyan, you tell me, is it possible to take away 9 from 7?
No, ma'am.
So what we'll do? Yes?
But
Yeah, so we'll take borrow from the number in tens place. Okay, so this 6 will become,
5,
yeah, so we'll cut this 6 will become 5, and this 7 will become,
17.
yes. So children, you have to show this cutting and borrowing properly, okay? Now tell me, P. Shreyan, 17 minus 9, how much?
8, ma'am.
Very good. So we'll write here 8 in ones place. Now tell me, in tens place, numbers are 5 and 8. Is it possible to take away 8 from 5?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, so again we have to take borrow. So this time we'll take borrow from the number in hundreds place. So what this 5 will become now?
4.
Very good. This 5 will become 4. And the 5 in tens place will become?
15.
Yes. So this 5 in tens place will become 15. So tell me, 15 minus 8, how much? Yes, Shreyan. Yes, tell me. Children, 15 minus 8 is 7 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So answer is 7878. So we'll write our last statement now. We'll leave one line and we'll write the last statement. So this is number of blocks left with her is equal to 78. Last statement will be number of